Hello, welcome to work collaboration demo. So I will give you a tour. So first of all, I see there's a lot of new people coming to Remio, and Remio will give you a random avatar when you first join in. You probably will not like that avatar. So in the mirror, there's a button. You press that, you have a UI to change your avatar. There's also another way. If you look at your watch, press where the three lines are, where it takes you to Remio Hub. Press the avatar tab on the top. Then you press that same button that was on the mirror, and that's how you change your avatar. Okay, now let's move on. So over here we have the basketball court and a golf court. Golf, yeah, whatever. Now over there is some cornhole. Then over here we have the video booth. So the video booth, you just record a video and it'll show up on there, and maybe if you're lucky enough, it will go on to the Remio YouTube channel. Over here we have the games. We have the game Body Swap, not installed for some reason. Okay, Disco, Bar VR, Team Puzzle Race, Hide and Seek, Paintball, Tower Defense, Escape, Boardrooms, Geo Quiz, which is a new game, Royal Auditorium, and Disc Golf. There's also more games. If you look down, there's a blue button that says click to open menu. You press that, press open Remio Hub. And then over there, there's on the top, there's a spaces tab. You press that, and then on the bottom, there's experiences where you can see all the games. And then let's move on. Oh yeah, over here is the presentation room for to share your screen and stuff. Business place, yeah, presentation. Then let's teleport up here. Okay. Then we have the mystery portal. If you go in it, you'll go to a random game. And over here we have the whiteboard, private rooms. So in case you want to just go in one and you don't want to hear anyone, or you can only hear people inside of the private room, or talk and yeah, whatever. Use another whiteboard, and that concludes our tour. I'll see you in Remio.